guys, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and this video is going to be so exciting because I am playing with the Dream palette by Sigma and Beautyybird. I was so excited when I saw that this palette was coming out. When I saw she was collabing with anybody, I was excited because I love Jasmine. I think she is one of the best YouTubers that I follow. I was just so excited when I saw that she was coming out with something. I knew it was going to be amazing. I knew it was going to have at least some color in it, and I was not wrong, and she did not disappoint. This is what the inside of the palette looks like here. I live for this color story right here. Okay, this is just so good. It has colors, it has mattes, it has shimmers, it has highlights, it has neutral colors, it even has cool tones, and most importantly, you see what's going on at this end right here? You see what that is? Oh, matte black. I am just in love with this palette so far. This is the first time that I'm using it. You guys are seeing my first impressions today. When I saw these two colors right next to each other, I immediately said, yep, that's my look right there. They're just so bright and colorful, and I just felt like I had to do a smoky eye incorporating both of those colors. So that's exactly what I did today, and I love the way that this look came out. And if you guys like it too and you want to see how I got it, then please just keep on watching. So far, I have my foundation on, my brows are done, and my eyes are already primed. So for my first shade, I'm actually going to go into this pink shade called Ambidextrous. And I'm taking that with a Morphe G17 brush, and I'm going to apply this into my crease. I probably should apply a transition color first, but I'm just going to go. Wow, this is a nice mirror. So I'm taking that into my crease. And I don't even want it to be super intense. Like, that is good for now because it is kind of acting as our transition, so that's fine. So I'm gonna grab the Diffuse Crease E38 brush, which is one of the ones that comes in the palette. And I'm gonna go into the color Orquidea, which I just showed you is this shade right here. And I'm gonna kind of focus this more directly into the crease. Oh my god, that color is really pigmented. I honestly think I need to buy this brush in a single because it is doing such a good job of placing the color but blending it out at the same time. So now I'm going back in with the Morphe G17 and grabbing a tiny little bit more of Ambidextrous, and I'm just gonna apply that to the crease. We kind of want the crease to be extremely pink with like a hint of purple. I'm gonna grab the Time Los Angeles 204. Ow! I'm grabbing the Time Los Angeles 204 brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Puesta del Sol, and I'm gonna put this just like right into my crease. And I mean like right, like basically where we just applied the color Orquidea, except even lower, kind of bringing it a little bit onto the lid. I think these three purple shades, or pinky purple shades, are like perfect together. I really like the way that they are blending together. Going back in with the E38 brush, I'm going to take a tiny little bit of Orquidea again. Tiny little bit. And just blend that a little bit more upwards. Now I'm taking the G17 again with a little bit more of Ambidextrous. Like a little bit more. I just want to add some pink back in there so it doesn't look only purple. So now for the lid color, I'm gonna grab the other side of the dual-ended brush. I'm taking the Creme color E58, which is just a flat brush. So I'm grabbing the color Birdy, which is this royal blue. It's such a pretty blue, and I'm gonna apply it onto my lid. This was meant to be just like blue to pink, but obviously we needed some more colors to kind of help it transition a little bit better. So I'm hoping that this kind of translates the way that I wanted it to. So it kind of took me a while to build up that color on my lid, but it's okay. I am happy with it. It is a matte blue shade, so obviously it's gonna be a little bit harder. So I'm gonna grab my Time Los Angeles 204 again with the same Puesta del Sol. Very, 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 very little bit of it, just to kind of blend these two shades together a little bit better. Now I'm grabbing a Sigma E20 short shader brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Fearless, which is the black in the palette. Thank God that this palette has a black. Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna run it right up against my lash line. So I'm just gonna move on to the face for now. I am pretty much done with the top of my lid. So I'm gonna try out today for the first time, I'm so excited, the Jouer, what's your name? Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in Creme Brulee, which is a little light. But I did my best. I picked the color online. Okay, it's not my fault. I did what I could. I'm just, oh my God, that's so light. I'm just gonna apply like, I guess that much because I hear it's like, has the most coverage like ever. I'm just taking my damp beauty blender and I'm gonna start blending this out. OMFG. It does look like it will dry down super fast and it's like a little harder to blend. It's a little thicker. It's not as thick as the Huda Beauty one though that I recently tried. I don't know if you guys actually saw that video yet. So I'm taking my Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. This is the Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. It's in the color Kunafa. And the reason, I still don't know if I'm saying that right. Kunafa? This concealer did already crease on me, so that sucks. The reason I'm using this powder is because I feel like it's a little deeper. So I literally just found this in my collection and it's perfect. This is the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil by Urban Decay in Mainline. This is going into my waterline because it's, what's the word I'm looking for? Perfect. I'm grabbing a MAC 212 brush, which is just a flat definer brush. And I'm gonna go back, oh my God, I have a mess. I'm going back into the color Birdy. And I'm gonna run that right underneath this eye pencil. I feel like this color, you definitely have to build it. It's not just like one swipe full opacity. I'm grabbing a Sigma E30 pencil brush and I'm gonna take the color Ambidextrous. I'm just gonna, oh, you see this one is more pigmented than the blue. As soon as you put it on, it's like bam. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit. Don't worry about that inner corner, we'll fix it. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm actually gonna go into the highlighter that is called Libra, and I am a Libra, and so I'm really happy about this. I'm gonna take it onto my inner corner. Okay, that's aggressive. Actually, I'm gonna apply it on my brow bone also because I took that like really high. I'm grabbing my Milk Makeup Kush mascara, blah blah, you guys know. Don't like it that much. I'm just applying it. So for my lashes, I'm going to use these Time Los Angeles lashes in Shapeshifter. And this is what they look like. They are so pretty. I think they're going to look so good with this look. Yeah, I'm actually wearing a Time Los Angeles shirt right now and didn't even notice until right now. So hold on, let me put some glue on this lash so I can show you. It says, send nudes. And then there's nude lipstick. Oh, come on. Come on. One of my favorite things ever. So while that lash gets tacky, I'm just gonna, I don't know why I zoomed you back in. I'm just gonna move on to my face. I'm using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. I think they're still selling this. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna go into the lighter shade. This is the medium deep kit, by the way. This brush is a Real Techniques contour brush, by the way. I've been loving it recently because, like, look at the contour. Come back to my eyelash. Oh my god. For my bronzer, I'm going into the Marc Jacobs Tantric bronzer, and I'm taking my favorite brush. You guys are probably sick of me. Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH02 brush. And I'm just gonna bronze. I'm really trying to focus on blending out this forehead situation. because that concealer was super light. So that's kind of necessary. I'm gonna grab my BH Cosmetics, it's my Ray Ray number 8 brush, and the same shade that we contoured with. And I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. So I'm gonna grab my blush. I'm taking a Morphe M530 and the blush I'm using is Early Bird by ColourPop. It's a Super Shock Cheek and it's a pink. If I can do this nicely. I don't want to apply too much and I think this brush works really well for that. For highlight, I'm not gonna go in with Libra because Libra is really light. I like it on my inner corner, but I don't think I would like it on my face. So I'm gonna grab the color Gemini. I feel like this is kind of thin to get your brush in, but I guess it's possible. And I'm just gonna so that's very gold. Not that I don't like it at all, but I don't like it with this look. Like, it's definitely very intense, but it's gold. So I'm grabbing this one by Ofra. This is You Glow Girl. This was in collaboration with, who's this in collaboration with? Dupe That. So I'm just gonna go right over that. Obviously it's still gonna be gold because we already have that gold base down, but I need to add some type of pink. I like the highlighters. I specifically like Gemini. I think it's a pretty color, but I don't like it with this look. I'm gonna grab a BH Cosmetics brush and I'm gonna take that Ofra highlighter again. And I'm just gonna apply it down the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Now I'm gonna wipe my lips, and for that what I usually use is my hand, and I just do that because I have no manners. For lips, I'm using this ColourPop lippy pencil in the color Brink, and I want something like pinky nude, almost mauve, but not. So I'm just lining on lips. For my lipstick, I'm grabbing the color A Mauve Story by Dose of Colors in collaboration with Desi and Katie. This will be my first time using it, but I feel like it's perfect for this look. Let's see. Yeah, it's perfect for this look. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the finished look. I am so in love with the way that this came out. I feel like with this palette, there are like endless possibilities. Like, you have so many things to play with here. You've got a matte black, most importantly. But you also have green colors, blue colors, pink colors, purple colors. You have a bunch of shimmers. You have mostly mattes, which is exactly what I like in a palette. You've got 2 highlighting shades. Like, you know, I get no respect in this house. None. Basically, the only complaint that I have is that one of these highlighters are not pink toned, because I feel like if you mixed these 2 gold tone highlights, you would regardless get a gold tone highlight. You know what I mean? So if you're like trying to get a pink tone highlight similar to like what I wanted today, then I think it'd be more helpful if maybe Libra was more of a pink tone and then Gemini stayed exactly how it is, because I love this color. The other complaint I would have is that Orquidea spelled wrong, but that's it. That's all. That's it. Other than that, good to go. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know if you want me to do any further tutorials with this palette, because I feel like I have so many possibilities in my head. I can definitely do some more looks for you if you want. You just let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'll link both those things down below, as well as everything that we used on our faces, or on my face I should say, today, and links to some of my previous videos as well. I think that's all I have to say, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and this is going to be like a full face of first impressions, except that it's not a full face of first impressions.